Hi everyone, welcome to Illy Reviews. Today we're looking at Confetti Underwraps re-release. So here we have our Confetti Underwraps capsule. It's really cool, it comes with 15 surprises, lots of things, so let's open it up. Oh my god, yes! It's a gold capsule, which means that it's going to be one of the rare ones. There's our instructions. We'll just go ahead and get this out. Cute. Alright, let's get this one out of here. She's in a super cute Little Mermaid outfit. Who is it? Who is it? Oh yay! It's Bling Queen. And she is super adorable. Hello everyone! Hi! Okay, let's get you dressed, Bling Queen. Little shoes. There we go. So cute. And I forgot one of the accessories. Here it is. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's her little bottle. And there it is. Cute. Blue and purple. And there we have Bling Queen. She's so cute. I'll just put her back in her little capsule now. Hop in there, Bling Queen. Alright. There we go. So cute. Close the doors. Oh, there we go. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.